Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer money from your Afterpay account to your bank account in 2025. If you've been using Afterpay for shopping and now have some funds sitting there, transferring them is easier than ever. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Afterpay app installed on your phone. This ensures you're using the most up-to-date features for 2025. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw option. Tap on that and you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. If you've linked your bank before, it should pop up automatically, saving you time. Double-check that the account is correct to avoid any mix-ups. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, Afterpay might have daily or weekly limits, so keep an eye on those to make sure your transfer goes through smoothly. After confirming the amount, you'll need to verify the transaction. This could involve a quick PIN entry or a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Once that's done, hit Confirm, and you're good to go. The transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always check for any fees associated with the transfer. Afterpay is usually free, but it's worth confirming. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Afterpay support through the app. They're super helpful. And hey, if you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer money from Afterpay to your bank account in 2025. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.